Hey guys, it's Yana back with more WNBA content. I just wanted to do another unboxing of some WNBA cards. So today we do have the 2024 Select by Panini. So yeah, we have Angel Reese of the Chicago Sky and Caitlin Clark of the Indiana Fever on the cover. So that's really cool for them. Two great rookies just, on the cover. And here's another review, super cute. Okay, so this pack does have, or this box has 6 packs, and each pack has 4 cards in it. So yeah, let's see what we got. Okay, so today I am wearing my Arike Ogunwale jersey of the Dallas Wings. So yeah, I'm really looking for either Arike's card, Angel Reese, Asia, somebody from the Aces, or Dallas Wings, or Chicago Sky. I have a lot of other teams that I like, but I'm really looking for those cards because I don't have a lot of those cards. Okay, so like I said, there are 6 packs and they each have 4 cards each. So let's just make sure I have all 6 because you never know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Sometimes I want to start in order, but let's just take one out of the bunch. Okay, here's another look at each pack of cards. Again, there's 6 of them and they do have 4 cards each. So let's go. I don't think I care about how much how I open it so much, so I'm just gonna open it. Let's see what we got. I'm really hoping for some good cards. I don't know. Okay, let's start. Who do we have? Who do we have? Okay, let's see. EDD! I hope she's coming back. Well, it doesn't seem like she's coming back for the 2025 season, but you never know. But yeah, that's a really cool one. She plays for the Mystics. Yes, this is a really good one. Cool. Okay, so let's see what we have next. Kaylani Brown. So this is when she was on the Wings last season. During the offseason, she did get traded to the Phoenix Mercury. So I'm excited to see, what she's doing there. I know overseas she's doing really well this offseason. She had 40 points and 15 rebounds. So I hope she can bring the same energy to the WNBA. Yeah. And then we have a Brittany Griner. Again, this is when she was with the Phoenix Mercury, but now she's with the Atlanta Dream. So yeah, this is a really good one. I'm getting some really good cards. I'm sorry. Oh, and the last one out of the pack, the 4th one, is Rickea Jackson. This is a rookie card, I believe. Oh yeah, rookie card, Rickea Jackson of the Los Angeles Sparks. Whoa, this is a really cool one. Whoa. She just played in the All-Star game a couple days ago on the Celebrity All-Star game, so yeah, this is cool. Okay, so let's do the next pack. Here we go. Let's see what we get. Okay, let's see. Okay, we have Jonquel Jones of the New York Liberty. That's a cool one. You know how I feel about the Liberty, whatever. I don't care. This is a nice card. She is a WNBA champion. I can't dismiss that. She's a WNBA champion, so I'm not mad at it. It's a cool card. I don't like her playing style all the time, but it's still cool. And then we have Sophie Cunningham. She was on the Phoenix Mercury last season, but now she got traded to the Indiana Fever. So I'm hoping she'll do good there. They can definitely use her talents, her 3-point skills. So yeah, that's a cool one. And then next we have someone from the New York Liberty. Don't know her, but cool card. It's cute. And then we have, I don't like the New York Liberty, but I do have respect for them. Breanna Stewart, one of the GOATs, I would say. But yeah, this is a really cool one, actually. Okay, I like this one, but it's looks off-centered. Like, I wish she was like right there instead like over here. But it makes sense for the back of the card. Like, she's on the back and it corresponds, so that's cool. Okay, then let's go for the next one. What do we got? Okay, let's see. Looking for some aces. Oh, it's upside down. Ooh, Cheryl Miller. Okay. This is when she was, I guess, maybe head coach of the Phoenix Mercury, or just on the coaching staff. I think she was head coach of the Phoenix Mercury, so that's a really cool one. She's one of the GOATs. She didn't really play in the WNBA, but she was, you know, a women's basketball pioneer, and she played at UCA or USC in California, so she's pretty cool. Yeah, this is a cool one. Okay. And then, ooh, we have Alicia Clark from the Aces. Of course, she has recently signed with the Seattle Storm, so this is still a really cool one. I do have another card from her in my 2022 pack, so this is going to add to the collection on that one. But this is really cool. I hope she does great this upcoming season. So, wow, super cute. And then we have a Jordan Horston. She's from the Seattle Storm. She did tear her ACL a couple, like maybe last week, when she was playing for AU, so I'm wishing her all the best with her recovery. She is expected to miss the 2025 WNBA season, so that's not great, but she'll come back better than ever. I was really looking forward to her season coming up, but I know she'll be good next year. But yeah, cute. Ooh, and then the fourth card is a Shakira Austin. She's playing in Unrivaled. She's doing pretty good. This is a cute card. I think it's a select future card. So yeah, that's a nice one. Here's the back. At first I was like, I don't really see the hype of her, but when she was playing in Unrivaled this off season, she's doing pretty good. She's on the Lunar Owls, and she's doing pretty darn good, so not even mad at it. Okay, we do have a few more packs, so let's continue. Okay, so continuing on with this pack, let's see what we got. We have Tamika Catchings of the Indiana Fever, so that's a really cool one. Okay, I think I have another card from her from another pack. I like when the newer packs feature some, you know, former all-stars and former, like, just great players, so this is really cool. Okay, let's see what else we got. Oh, we got Tina Charles. This is a good one. So she also made the move during the off season. She's going to be with the Connecticut Sun. She's going back to where it all started. She was drafted by the Connecticut Sun in, I believe, 2010. So she's probably looking to end her career there. So that's really cool. She's coming back home, essentially. The first people who gave her a shot. So yeah, that's a really cool one. She was really effective for the Atlanta Dream, so I know she can do really well in the Connecticut Sun, whatever they're doing this offseason. Ooh, we have another rookie card. We have Nika from the Seattle Storm. She's a, you know, a Husky. Oh, this is a cool one. This is really cool. But yeah, that one. She's also expected to miss the 2025 season. She did tear her ACL as well. During, you know, she played overseas, and within the first couple games she tore her ACL, so I hope she does good with her recovery and comes back for her sophomore season. So yeah. Oh, we have, okay, controversial. We have Dana Evans of the Chicago Sky. Of course, during the off season she did get traded to the Las Vegas Aces. I think she'll be great for us. I'm sorry, I really do think she'll be good. I know she got a lot of, you know, weird comments from the Chicago Sky fans, but I think she's gonna do good. I feel like they just didn't utilize her to the best of their abilities, because every time she plays in, you know, during the off season overseas, she does really well. I just feel like they didn't utilize her to the best of her abilities, and she'll do good with the Aces because she has the resources to do well. So yeah, these are all the ones that I got from this pack, and we have 2 more packs to go, so let's see what we get. Let's see. Oh, I don't like how I ripped that one, but it's fine. It's fine. Okay. Let's see what we get. Just dropped it. I got a Sydney Colson. Sid. So yeah. Sid, of course, in the 2024 season, she was with the Aces. She does have, you know, 2 championships with the Aces, but she did decide to sign with the Indiana Fever, so I hope she does great things with them. I am gonna miss her vibes for the Aces. She was a force when she came off the bench, so she brings that leadership, that veteran leadership that any team could benefit from. So this is a really cool card. Oh, Sid. Making me sad. Oh, we got one of the ghosts, Lisa Leslie. This is a really cool card. This is really cool. Yeah, so she's been working a lot with Angel Reese. It's really cool to have, you know, for her to have that menteeship, you know, that's really cool. And then we have Haley Jones of the Atlanta Dream. Yeah, nice young star. I feel like she'll do good with this new coach that Atlanta has. I think his name is Carl. So we'll see. I think she's coming up on her 3rd year. But yeah, let's see. And then lastly from this pack, we have Kelsey Mitchell. So yeah, of the Indiana Fever. She did get cored by the Indiana Fever, and she did decide to sign with them. So she did get that Supermax contract for the year of 2025. So good for her. So this is a cool card. Okay, last pack. Let's see what we got. I'm hoping for Angel Reese, Asia Wilson, something. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Over there. Okay, it's upside down. Another Breanna Stewart. Okay, a repeat card. Even though it's different, like it looks different than the other one, but okay. Not mad at it. Stewie. So yeah, then we have Aerial Powers, okay, from the Atlanta Dream. She's cool. She didn't play much last season, so hopefully she'll be recovered and play more this upcoming season. But no. And then we have a Wings player. It's cool. Okay, lastly we have Marina Mayberry. Okay, this is a cool one, but of course she's looking for another team this off season, so it's going to be interesting to see if she's coming back with the Connecticut Suns or if she's going to sign with someone else, but who knows. But yeah, still a cool card. She's a really good 3-point shooter, so yeah. But yeah, so that's all the cards that I have for this pack. Comment down below your favorite WNBA player and what you're expecting to see for this 2025 season. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more WNBA, women's college basketball, and unrivaled news. Thank you so much.